लगभग हर तरले राना उनटे उनटे दिवस ही लेकिन मिशन बचकर निभामचीनो दूसरा दो कथा और पहले परिचय नंता बने स्टूडेंट है okay how many person you can talk in English? Raise your hand. Mostly person. Okay, do down your hand. तो बच्चे लोग आज जो है हमारे बीच में हमारे साथ में आए हुए हमारे अतिथिगण को एक बार जोरदार तालियों से हम लोग स्वागत करेंगे। ओके, और आप लोग के समक्ष अपने से परिचय देने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा ताकि जो है आप लोग देख पाएंगे यहाँ पर कि दूर दूर से कैसे लोग यहाँ पर कहाँ से हैं और क्या नाम है, सारा चीज़ों को आप लोग नोट आउट करेंगे। ओके,
थैंक यू। Good morning, guys. Are you okay? Yes. So first of all, I thank you all. So say only the Johar. Sound must be clear. So Johar again. Johar. So first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Panchanan Soren. Okay, my age about 59 years, and I from Jamshedpur. Are you know Jamshedpur? Yes. Jamshedpur is a steel city. Okay. So I very much glad that our patrons, Mr. Sanjeev sir, is here and chance to come in here. So I say something is the education is the only way. What is it? Education is the only way to conquer the Himalayan or every hill. यानी कि शिक्षा ही एक ऐसा वस्तु है, शिक्षा ही ऐसा धन है कि आप हिमालय भी चढ़ सकते हैं। Is it right? Yes. So, congratulations your morning session, and I know you are well in English speaking along with your Kurup language. I am very sorry I didn't speak or knowing Kurup, but I know Santal. Because I am from the Santal tribal people. Okay? Yes. Santal is one of the tribal. Yes. And Adivasi. Yes. And major numbers of people living in Jharkhand. So, I think it is a great opportunity to congratulate you. I come and meet to you. And your conquering stage is going on, carry out again and again. So thank you once again and Johar. Okay, thank you.